Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon blueberry cream cheese crumb bars. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a medium or large bowl, add in the softened butter, sugar, and brown sugar, and mix them together until they're well combined. Then add in the flour, rolled oats, baking soda, and salt, and mix them in until they're combined, making sure there's no dry flour anywhere. Lightly grease an 8 or 9 inch square baking pan. Press half the mixture evenly into the bottom of the pan. Fill in any holes with more of the mixture. Then set it aside for now. Then in a separate bowl, add in the softened cream cheese, sugar, egg yolk, salt, and vanilla extract, and mix them until they're well combined. Then add in the blueberries. You can use fresh or frozen. If you're using frozen, don't bother thawing them. Lemon zest, and lemon juice, and mix them in until they're combined. Pour it into the pan on top of the crust. Spread it out until it's even. And sprinkle the remaining crumb mixture evenly on top of it. And bake it in the oven for about 40 minutes or until the topping is lightly browned. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. The middle will be very jiggly, but it will firm up as it cools. And it must be completely cooled before serving. It is rich when it's still warm, but just right when it's completely cooled. And that's how to make lemon blueberry cream cheese crumb bars. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.